Okay, in part 2 we will look at steady state error. So in steady state, what is the actual output we expect desired value, and there will be some variation. That variation we call it as the steady state error. Understand the term steady state. Suppose this is the output, we expect the value as, let us say, 0.7, but we are getting 0.65. So this 0 point difference, that is nothing but 0.05, we call it as the steady state error. Now there are various inputs like unit step, ramp and parabolic. So for a unit step input, the steady state error is given by a upon 1 plus kp. To calculate kp, we have the formula limit s tends to 0 g of s. So for open loop transfer function, apply the limit s tends to 0. We can calculate the kp call it as positional error constant, or simply you can term it as error constant. Now one more, that is nothing but if your input is ramp input, then in that case steady state error will be a upon kv. Kv is the velocity error constant. Kv call it as velocity error constant. To calculate kv, we have kv equal to limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. Okay, now let's look at some of the example. Let us say open loop transfer function is 8 upon s plus 16, and input applied is unit step. Find out the steady state error. So first of all, we will calculate positional error coefficient, that is kp. So kp equal to limit s tends to 0 g of s. Open loop transfer function is given, so limit s tends to 0, 8 upon s plus 16. So it is comes, put s equal to 0, so it comes out as 0.5. 8 upon 16 is 0.5. Now position error steady state error will be, a value is 1 because they have simply mentioned unit step input, so a we have to take 1. Then steady state error will be 1 upon 1 plus kp. So 1 upon 1 plus 0.25, that means 1 upon 0.35, whatever value you get, that is the steady state error answer. Now one more example. Let us say the open loop transfer function g of s is 4 upon s plus 12, and input applied is ramp input, unit ramp input. You are having input as unit ramp input. So in that case, we will calculate positional error coefficient, that is kv, limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. So put the value of g of s. So limit s tends to 0 s 4s s plus 12, ss cancel, so it comes out as ss get cancel out, your s and this s get cancel out, so it comes out as limit s tends to 0 4 upon s plus 12, put s equal to 0, so 4 upon 12, that means 0.33. Then steady state error will be a upon kv, as again input is unit ramp input. If input is mentioned as unit ramp, so in that case a value will be, we will take it as 1, so it comes out as 1 upon kv value is 0.33, so 1 upon 0.33 is the steady state error answer. Okay, thank you.